Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Linda Wulansari. I am management student class of 2019. Today I will present my proposal seminar entitled Analysis of Factors that Influence the Intention to Revisit the Tourist Attraction of Kebun Strawberry Ciwidey. Foreign exchange earnings from the tourism sector over the last 10 years have increased. There was a decrease in revenue in 2019 to 2021. According to Kemenparekraf 2023, achieving the target of the tourism sector and creative economy compared to 2022 must be supported by strategic, innovative, adaptive, and collaborative steps, including providing business development facilities for business people through deregulation. It can be seen from the table above that tourist interest in West Java from 2016 and 2021 has increased every year. In 2016, tourist visits have decreased in 2020. Then the following year began to show an increase from 3,700,000 to 1,680 visits. West Java province is famous for its natural beauty as well as its plantation area, farms, and natural mountains. Ciwidey is one of the famous cities in terms of tourist destination. Bandung Regency is ranked 6th as the regency in West Java with the highest number of tourists. Data on tourist visits in 2019 to 2021 is 7,695 foreign tourists and 5,593,257 domestic tourists, with an average number of visits from 2019 to 2021 of 2,800,481. Ciwidey has several interesting tourist attractions. One of the interesting attractions and has the potential to grow is Strawberry Picking Tour. According to ANUR 2023, West Java province is the largest strawberry production area of 25,413 tons. The area in West Java, which is quite famous as the center of strawberry production, is Ciwidey, Lembang, and Tasikmalaya. There are several factors that can influence the first return tourist visit. The first one is memorable tourism experience. According to Gahori et al. 2020, experience also had a strong impact on memory formation, which is the main goal of the tourism sector. A memorable tourism experience makes tourists who have visited capture the activity they do on their personal social media. Electronic word of mouth, or EWOM, is the easiest way to get information about tourist destination to visit, and it can be concluded that electronic word of mouth has a positive and significant effect on revisit intention, according to Riarizal and Abroad 2019. EWOM has a positive influence on revisit intention. If EWOM is positive, it will be cause visitors to want to visit again. If EWOM is negative, it will give visitors the possibility of not making a return visit, as done by the Instagram account at @a_Gunawan, who shared a short video during a visit to the Kebun Strawberry Ciwidey. According to Chakichi et al. 2019, customer satisfaction is needed to build trust so that satisfied customer will recommend to others. Have the intention to visit again and focus on certain product. Otherwise, if the customer is dissatisfied, it has a potential threat to the business. And also, a bad memorable tourism experience makes the city of Ciwidey Strawberry Garden negative in the mind of visitor. However, destination image is dynamic. The more often tourists visit a destination, the better destination image will be. Furthermore, in SE Nugraha and Rifadina 2022, destination image has a significant influence on return visit. From the table 1.3 shows complaints from the Google account at Dewe Benung. who had a bad experience from the service provided by the tourist destination. The experience received makes visitor satisfied decrease. Customer satisfaction can be influenced by purchases or services that customer get in the past will have an impact on decision making and can create a bad image in the mind of visitors. There are problem formulation. The first one is, does memorable tourism experience has a positive and significant effect on electronic word of mouth? Does memorable tourism experience have a positive and significant effect on tourist satisfaction? Does memorable tourism experience have a positive and significant effect on destination image? Does electronic word of mouth have a positive and significant effect on revisit intention? Does tourist satisfaction have a positive and significant effect on revisit intention? Does destination image have a positive and significant effect on revisit intention? And the last one is, does memorable tourism experience have a positive and significant effect on revisit intention? There are research objectives. The first one, to examine the effect of memorable tourism experience on electronic word of mouth. The second one is to examine the effect of memorable tourism experience on tourist satisfaction. The third one is to examine the influence of memorable tourism experience on destination image. The fourth one is to examine the influence of electronic word of mouth on revisit intention. The fifth one is to examine the influence of tourist satisfaction on revisit intention. The sixth one is to examine the influence of destination image on revisit intention. Last one is to examine the influence of memorable tourism experience on revisit intention. Furthermore, there are research benefits. The first one is theoretical benefits. It is accepted to be able to contribute, thus editing and expanding the literature on tourism marketing, especially regarding memorable tourism experience, electronic word of mouth, tourist satisfaction, destination image, and revisit intention. The second one is practical benefits. With this research is expected to provide recommendation or an overview to tourist destination, especially Ciwidey Strawberry Garden, in an effort to increase retaining tourists to revisit Kebun Strawberry Ciwidey. Furthermore, there are supporting theories. The first one is memorable tourism experience. Memorable tourism experience is a tourist experience that is remembered and can be remembered positively after doing tourism. According to Natania and Suteja 2022, suggested that it is important to associate memory with study of travel experiences because travel experiences that occur at a certain point in time can be embedded in long-term memory that evokes memory and feelings of joy which will be reflected back by each individual. According to Kim et al. 2012, there are 7 elements of memorable tourism experience. There are hedonism, refreshment, novelty, culture and social interaction, knowledge, meaningfulness, and engagement. The second one is electronic word of mouth. According to Henning in Rasomalines et al. 2021, electronic word of mouth is defined as a positive or negative statement about a product or company from potential customers, actual customers, or former customers, which is available to many people and institutions via the internet. According to Goyate et al. 2010, there are 3 dimensions of EWAM. The first one is intensity, valence of opinion, and content. The next one is tourist satisfaction. According to T et al. 2020, in a competitive target market, tourist satisfaction is very important because it not only affects the performance of service or product, but also increased trust in service provides, which leads to the intention to revisit or recommend to the others. According to Zaitamal in Japrianto 2019, There are three dimensions in customer satisfaction. The first one is satisfaction as a fulfillment, satisfaction as a pleasure, satisfaction as a relief. The next one is destination image. According to Lee et al. 2022, destination image is a perception and belief that individuals believe in a tourist attractions based on the information received. According to Agapito et al. 2013, there are three dimensions in destination image: cognitive, affective, and conative. The last one is revisit intention. According to Setiawan and Purniawan 2019, revisit intention is a return intention that refers to the subject assessment of the individual himself, as well as the form of promotion and expansion of destination object marketing, so that the destination image becomes one of the factors that influence the intention to visit again. According to Lin 2014, there are several dimensions. The first one, intention to revisit and intention to recommend. Here is the theoretical framework for this research. In the research hypothesis, there are 7 hypotheses, namely, the first one, memorable tourism experience has a positive and significant effect on electronic word of mouth. In the research of Rasolimanes et al. 2021, there are conclusions that show that memorable tourism experience has a positive effect on electronic word of mouth. Hypothesis 2, memorable tourism experience has a positive and significant effect on tourist satisfaction. According to Chifchi 2022, memorable tourism experience has a positive and significant effect on satisfaction. Hypothesis 3, memorable tourism experience has a positive and significant effect on destination image. According to Sazli 2022, found that memorable experience are very influential in shaping a positive destination image. Hypothesis 4, electronic word of mouth has a positive and significant effect on revisit intention. According to research by Salah et al. 2023, electronic word of mouth has a positive and significant effect on revisit intention. Hypothesis 5, satisfaction has a positive and significant effect on revisit intention. According to Nazarian et al. 2023, in their research found that the relationship between satisfaction and revisit intention has a positive and significant effect. Hypothesis 6, destination image has a positive and significant effect on revisit intention. According to Hassan et al. 2019, state that destination image and revisit intention have a positive and significant influence. The last hypothesis is memorable tourism experience has a positive and significant effect on revisit intention. According to Sarma and Nayak 2019, show that memorable tourism experience has a positive and significant effect on revisit intention. The population in this study are tourists who have visited Kebun Strawberry Ciwidey. The maximum sample size in this study was 244 respondents who visited the Kebun Strawberry Ciwidey. The characteristic of sample used are first one, domicile in Jakarta and West Java. Second one, age 17 and above. The last one, travelers who have visited the Kebun Strawberry Ciwidey at least once. Data analysis technique, hypothesis testing using structural equation modeling, or SEM using IBM AMO software, for validity tests using exploratory factor analysis or EFA, and confirmatory factor analysis or CFA statement will be considered valid if the analysis criteria for each indicator greater than 0.7. For reliability test, using Cornbatch alpha will be reliable if Cornback alpha less than 0.6 is good. Cornback alpha 0.7 until 0.8 is acceptable. Cornback alpha greater than 0.8 is good. There is some modeling fit index. That's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.